Hello. All right. I'm going to talk about discussion 2. The prompt with the teachers, the brand new teachers, first year teachers that meet in the lunchroom, and the one teacher is having a difficult time because her students did not do good on their weekly quiz, so she's feeling a little bit down and discouraged. One thing I noticed is maybe she came into the lunchroom upset, or she's feeling down because what she had expected to do, things aren't going the way that they were planned, and so she's feeling down about that. And as a teacher, you have to be able to make those adjustments so that your students are able to grasp information that you are trying to teach them. Sometimes as teachers, we have to teach our information more than once, so sometimes we have to do it twice, 3 times, 4 times, until they're able to understand what we are trying to get across to them. Something I would have also said is, have you thought of reteaching the lesson? Maybe if you retaught the lesson, the students, would be able to grasp the information better. Sometimes we're afraid to go back and do it again, but I think reteaching a lesson, students get a lot of benefits out of that, and I would explain that to her, of course, that the benefits of reteaching it and the concept and the kids hearing the information again, and really sticks in their brain better the second time, third time that you do it. Something else would be, I wonder if we did this instead of that, or the way you taught the lesson the first time. I wonder if the way you taught the lesson the first time, the kids didn't understand it that way, so let's teach the lesson this way this time, which gives you the option to teach it a different way that maybe they could understand. Or I wonder if you play this game that they'll be able to understand it because they're using their fine motor skills to help them understand what they are trying to grasp the concept of, or the standard that we are trying to teach them. So for I wonder if, it would be I wonder if one thing worked better than the other. So it's always good to keep trying different ways to teach methods. For the last one, maybe you could try same thing, maybe you could try this instead of that, or maybe you could do this or that. So kind of like I wonder if I was in this situation, I would reteach the lesson, and I would see why or what did I not do the first time that I did the second time, and then I would re-quiz the students to see if they get a better understanding the second time I taught the lesson. And if I taught it a different way, why did that way work so much better than the way I taught it the first time? So I think it's good to always push yourself. Don't be unsure of yourself. It's okay if you don't do good the first time. You can always find different ways and different methods of teaching. All right, have a good day.